So, you wanna know how much money I make? Racks. Okay, let's talk about this in the most genuine way possible. My name is Benjamin Fairborn, came from nothing, and I was very suicidal and depressed. The one thing that kept me going throughout it all in my journey and not giving up, the number one thing that kept me going was just the desire to make money online. Like nothing else pushed me harder because I failed so much. But anyway, my income streams I have quite a few. I don't know the exact number, but I'm gonna just say it just off the cuff of my head here, all my different income streams, especially my main ones. Okay, so the easiest income stream I have is a massive YouTube channel. Okay, it makes over 100 grand per month. Right now, it's at over $150,000 per month from AdSense revenue and mainly CPA marketing. CPA marketing is basically like affiliate marketing and stuff like that. You have a link, you promote it, and anyone who converts through your link, you get money for. Okay, and I mean, I make a lot of money from that. And so that's with Max Bounty, and then I do adult marketing. I could talk a little bit more about that, but mainly that's Max Bounty, okay? I haven't really promoted any ClickBank, any Digistore. I've made some money there, a few $1,000s, but that's basically nothing compared to the big, broad thing. I'm 22 years old. I didn't start making a lot of money until 3 years ago when I was like 19 or 20 years old. And I can tell you right now, that was the most gratifying day of my life when I made my first dollar online. Like, it is insane. Another thing is I'm very frugal with my money. I don't spend it like crazy. I am very conservative with it, and I'm very wise with how I spend it. I try to save as much as I can. It's a lot of money, and I respect it, and I'm really, really careful with how I use it. The other thing, I do a ton of adult marketing. Okay, so adult marketing is basically these adult sites you can advertise on, and it gets very crazy, but you don't get to see anything messed up or whatever, and you could promote offers that are not even adult related. You could promote anything. Okay, you can promote anything out there. You can promote digital products, physical products, e-commerce products, etc. You can promote affiliate offers. I do a lot of that. Okay, I run huge campaigns. If you go to an adult spy tool, you could probably see the campaigns I'm running. But anyway, it's the most powerful way. Probably my second favorite income stream out there. Okay, out of all my income streams, and I can tell you right now, it's insane because I mean I've said this a lot, but if you're new here, here you go. It is not strict at all. There's endless traffic and there's no competition, so it's one of the biggest opportunities out there, overall. It's absolutely insane. And so I make around, I would say 200,000, between 100 and 200,000 right now. It's getting scaled really, really big. But then there's another freaking platform that's even bigger than that one for my income streams, okay? YouTube ads is one of the most effective and powerful traffic sources out there due to the fact it is, it's literally the highest quality, okay? So if you run paid ads on YouTube or Facebook, it's highest quality, but Facebook's very strict. I used to run with Facebook. I don't anymore. The funnels I promote with YouTube ads, they are basically tripwire funnels. A tripwire funnel, the name sounds silly and all, but it's very, very powerful stuff. How it works is basically you have a low price product on the front end, then you have like other products in the back end, and you have upsells. And this works so effectively, it's insane. And by the way, with YouTube ads, you can put this Facebook, it's basically like a Facebook pixel, but it's a conversion pixel. And you can optimize your ads to get people who will convert to basically be sent through your funnel. And YouTube knows who will buy, and it's insane. And I have angles of how I do this that absolutely crush it. So I'm at like 50 grand, all the way to 100 grand right now. I didn't start doing that until like last month. That can be scaled up to $1 million a month. The adult can be scaled up to $1 million a month. My big YouTube channel probably not be scaled up to $1 million a month, but it's already pretty freaking high up there. So I'm very proud of it. My personal brand makes a good amount of money. To be 100% transparent with you, it's around like 50 grand a month, okay? It can be higher than that, for sure. It can be scaled definitely to $1 million a month for sure in the future. But I love teaching people stuff. I mean, I have a lot of time, so if I make videos teaching what I know, I see that as very much so giving back, okay? And I freaking love it. I was always very shy on camera, and my ability to overcome that was huge for me. And so, I don't know, I really like it. That is how much money I make. I make around $300,000 a month to $400,000 a month as of right now. That's a lot of money, and I'm very frugal with it, very careful with it. But at the same time, I don't know, tell me what I should do with it. I don't know. But yeah, let me know down below. Thank you so much for watching Learn Machines. If you're new here, join the Learn Machine family, and peace